This video will show you how to move and scale, changing the size in Reality Composer. Tapping on the screen and moving around while holding it down with one finger will allow you to move on the X, Y, and Z axis. Touching the screen with two fingers will allow you to zoom in or zoom out on a scene. Unlike moving in a scene, in order to move an object, you're going to need to use the cones or circles that surround the object. Let's take a look at that. Notice that when an object is selected in Reality Composer, 3 cones appear. And each cone comes with its own circle. Tapping on one of the cones will change to show you which axis is selected. The color of the circle corresponds with the color of the cone it's associated with. That will let you know if it's going to be moving and scaling on the X, Y, or Z axis. For instance, the green cone will move it along the Y axis. In other words, move your object up and down. Tapping on the red cone will move the object to the side along the X axis. Tapping on the blue cone will move the object along the Z axis, changing the depth, moving it farther away or closer. Remember, you can always tap the Reset button to bring the object back to the center or origin of your grid. Tapping on the cones to select the axis will also allow you to rotate the object on that axis by tapping and dragging on the corresponding circle. Notice how it's rotating within the axis associated with the color of the cone. Again, to do this, tap on the cone to select the axis, then tap and drag on the circle to rotate the object on that axis. You are now ready to move and rotate objects within your augmented reality.